Robishka asal turdi.
From my end.
Do you make it hand by hand? It's a handmade? It's a handmade?
Yeah, it's handmade. You saw me wearing right during the design. I was same like that.
Ay jazga taqib qo'ysinlar.
Your turn.
Shuni yashtim tepasidan ko'rib
Mana kiyimiga yarasha
Tushmadi.
ketaverar ekan. Is this a coin?
Yeah, it's a coin.
It's a coin.
It's a real coin.
25
Yeah,
rupees.
25 rupees.
Ha, olib turaman aka.
And now it's your turn.
Chiziq ekan u.
Qololmas ekanlar, Dehliga qaytib.
And doctor is also leaving tomorrow.
Yeah. And unfortunately,
Actually, they are trying to cancel their flight because of you.
Shuning uchun bularga atab bir ikkita qo'shiq aytib bersanglar deb iltimos qilishyapti.
Mayli.
Okay. Ha.
Let's sing, yeah. Let's dance and sing.
Okay.
Qaysi qo'shiq?
Canım.
साथ चलना यही कसम तुम्हें कसम आँख मिलना यही एक जान है भले दो बदन हो जुदा मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना कभी न कहना अलविदा मेरी सुबह हो तुम ही और तुम ही शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा maza qilib konsert tomosha qilishdi. Endi yana sharf taqish marosimi. Sharfga boyib ketar ekanmiz xullas. Bitta ko'ylak chiqarsa bo'ladi bu sharfdan, ajon.
Harvey Pogo presenting to you from the Department of Tourism.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bularni ramziy ekanda shu sharflari.
Sharfdan bitta ko'ylak chiqazamiz xullas.
Welcome to Carving.
Thank you.
Hey, you bought it today?
Huh?
This necklace.
Yes. Traditional.
Actually, that is a gift from my end.
Oh, good.
And only to the girls, not to the boys. I'm so sorry. I will bring something tomorrow.
No problem. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Nima edi ani so'z?
Thank you.
Karbi.
Ulang sah.
Kardom karbi.
Hardom Karbi
Kardom. Chorolo.
Thank you. Nima edi?
Okay, after my aunt, huh?
Karbon karviymi?
Rahmat.